In this video, we are going to install all the necessary packages. So in this case, let's open again our prompt command here again. And here we have to install 3 different packages here. One is Azure Functions. Another one, we need to install Prisma. So in this case, we are going to use the version 3.14 version. And finally, we have to install the Prisma client, again, using the version 3.14. Okay, let's go back to the Visual Studio Code. And let's open the package.json file. So here we have to include the name of the application. We can include here a version, a little description. And here in the script, we are going to create another script here. So in this case, dev, and then the command func start. And that's it, just only that's it. So now let's open the project again. Inside in the API folder, let's create another folder called shared. Inside in the folder shared, we are going to create 2 different files. So one will be error.js and another one will be prisma.js. So here in the error.js, we are going to organize the error messages here. So in this case, so let's create a little things here. So for example, module exports function. So inside in the function, we are going to include here 2 parameters here, status, and another one, message. So this function will have a return. So in this case, status as status and body as message. And in this file, just only that. In the Prisma file, we are going to include here the Prisma client. But why? Because in the moment we are going to create the different HTTP verbs, we don't need to create this block over and over again. So we are going to thinking as a solid principles here. So in this case, let's include here a Prisma client in a different file here. So in this case, let's call here the Prisma client, requiring the package here, in this case at prisma/client. Let's create here a variable called prisma equals new Prisma client. And then also we are going to use this file in different files. We need to export this file. So in this case, module.exports equal Prisma. So we are ready to create our first HTTP verb, the get employee. So firstly, in the next video, we will teach us how to modeling a database using Prisma. So see you all in the next video.